Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download your data from TikTok. So here's how you can download your data from TikTok. First, you can open the TikTok apps on your phone, and then you can just go to your profile. So click on this profile button and tap on the three lines icon at the top right corner, this one. Go to the settings and privacy. Now under the account section, click on the account and you'll find this option, download your data. So by clicking on this, you can get a copy of your data from all the TikTok apps you use. So click on that. And now you can click on the request data. So you can request a copy of your data from all the TikTok apps you use to back up your account or export it to other services. Here you can select the data to download, and it will include things like your account info and settings, your posts on TikTok or other TikTok apps, your activities such as like, comments, favorites, and watch history, and then your DMs. So here you can choose it if you want to extract all or download all data or only a certain data. So you can choose which information you want to include in your file, and in here you can select the file format. Clicking on this, there are two formats that you can choose between: TXT, easy to read text file, and also the JSON. So you can allow other services to import your file. So for example, I'm going to use this one. You can just tap on that, and now you can just tap on the request data, and your data request is now being processed, and you'll find the data in here in the download data. So when your file is ready for download, it will be available for 4 days, and if you submit another request, your S16 file will expire, like this ones I requested before. So you will receive a notification when your data is ready to download, and the download link will be valid for a limited time, which is 4 days. So be sure to download your data before it expires. So that's pretty much all. I hope the simple tutorial from me will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, also click on thanks and subscribe to our channel. Bye.